Hi there. This screencast is designed to help you understand how to go about completing the understanding task rotation for word choice. So here I am with my article, The Power of the Music. And I know this article is from my understanding task rotation because it says so here, understanding. So as I'm reading the article, I'm looking out for words that might have a figurative meaning. That is, they might mean something else than its technical or definition denotative meaning. So let's say I'm already on the fourth paragraph. The programs are striking a hopeful chord all over the country. Stop. Right there, I noticed that the phrase striking a hopeful chord is being used figuratively. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. You can also underline it if you don't have an available highlighter. So striking a hopeful chord. I'm going to go to my graphic organizer that looks like this and it says understanding, and I'm going to write that word or that phrase that is being used in context. So I'm going to write striking a hopeful chord. I'm actually going to write out the whole sentence. So the programs are striking a hopeful chord all over the country. Now, what is the intended effect of this word? What did the author want to say through this? I know that a chord is a string in an instrument. I definitely know that's not what he was referring to. I think his intended effect is that the programs are resonating all over the country, that they're bringing hope, that they're being successful. So I'm going to say the intended effect is the author wanted to express that the programs are successful and bringing hope to youth all over the country. Then the opposite of. What is the opposite of striking a hopeful chord? I think it will be bringing discord or unhappiness, or perhaps even not successful. That's what I think would be the opposite of striking a hopeful chord. Then what are other uses for this phrase? Is like, how else might I say striking a hopeful chord if I were talking in another context? I might say, you usually use the word or the phrase striking a hopeful chord or striking a chord when talking about an instrument. So when referring to an instrument, I might say, I stroke the chords on my guitar. Here, chord means a string on an instrument, not hope or success. And you would do this twice. So here I gave you space to do the first word or phrase, and here I gave you space to do the second word or phrase. Hint, you may not use this phrase. Happy understanding!